Hi, and welcome to Digital Tech Reviews and Tips. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, besides just unboxing this product, I actually am filming this unboxing on a DJI Osmo Pocket as well. You know, DJI really is putting this product out there as a camera that can do it all, from your everyday vlogging to really replacing possibly a couple $1,000 mirrorless camera down the road. Maybe not this edition, but maybe a couple years from now. You know, they advertise it with some gorgeous videos out there. You know, you have all these settings. You can do 4K 60 frames a second for $350. So, yeah, I decided I'd test it out using it for an unboxing because there's got to be a couple people out there who are thinking, how would this perform in this setting? So, yeah, this is all filmed on the DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm not even using an additional mic. This is captured through the Osmo's built-in mic. Unfortunately, they haven't released any way to connect an accessory mic, but for now, it sounds pretty good actually. I'm surprised. So anyways, back to the unboxing now. The Osmo Pocket comes in a very small and tiny white cardboard box. They don't include much accessories, and since it's a small product, yeah, this is all they really need to send it in. I imagine that this will be a popular gift in the coming year. You know, it's only $350. Something they tried to really hit because they didn't actually even include Wi-Fi in this. You know, they could have included that, but that would have upped the price of it, making it about the same as the GoPro 7 Black. But obviously, DJI was thinking, let's go under that, you know, and try to get some of the action cam market to go for this camera. Otherwise, yeah, simple box with a sleeve on it. So let's get right to the product. Oh, and already there's stuff falling out everywhere. Let's take a look at that. First thing is a advertisement for Osmo Shield, which is basically like their DJI Care. I recommend it. You know, it's not that expensive. It protects your product for a year against any situation that might happen as long as you don't lose it. So definitely worth picking that up. And then the last thing in here is just, their website and stuff like that. You already know where to go. All right, opening up the box. Yeah, it is a cardboard box. Would have been nice to have actually a plastic case to possibly use down the road, but like I said, they include this little thing here to carry it in, and it is such a small product that you can throw it easily in your purse, your pocket, wherever you need to, and you don't really need a special carrying case. So let's look at the accessories that you get first before we go to the device itself. This is the little carrying thing that you put the Osmo in when you're not using it to protect it and just, keep that gimbal safe. But they also now use it to, ship all the accessories you get. Like I was saying, you don't get many accessories. This is the point. There's not much in there. But you don't really need that much. First thing you get here is a little snack. Yum. No, do not eat this, by the way. Obviously. First thing, actually, you get is a little, looks like a wrist strap. And possibly a neck strap if you have a very small neck or you want to put it on a doll. But yeah, nice little wrist strap there. So it doesn't fly off when you're doing some action-heavy stuff, and you can keep it at an arm's length, literally, because I'm pretty sure if it's on your wrist, that's an arm's length, unless your arm gets detached. Yikes. All right, next in here are the two smartphone connectors and the charging cable. So these are important because, like I said, it does not have Wi-Fi. I really wish that they had gone the extra mile to put Wi-Fi in rather than including it as a $59 accessory, but hey, whatever. So these are the two little adapters for smartphones. Choose your type, whatever phone you have. If you have iPhone, which I personally have, I'm going to be using this one right here. It slots in when you're not using it like this, and then slots like this when you are, so you can connect your phone and use the DJI Mimo app. And if you have USB-C, you use this one. If you have micro USB, well, I guess you're out of luck for the time being. DJI has not released a micro USB adapter at this time. So, yeah, that's one thing to be aware of if you have an older phone. And then, of course, you get the charging cable because you do need to keep this thing peaked and ready to go. I think it would have been cool if they included wireless charging in this device. That would have been kind of a new nod to the future. But, hey, for the time being, plugging it in with USB-C works just fine. All right, almost went to the device, but I do realize that we have a little instruction panel or booklet right here. The booklet is almost bigger than the device. That's pretty rare, but it's got all you need. I mean, honestly, I can go online for most of my stuff, but it's nice that they include a little bit of something, a couple languages too, and then they have your safety stuff, but who needs safety, you know? No one. Well, not really. You do need safety, but yeah, you don't need a booklet telling you how to be safe. That's just for the lawyers. Now, looking at the product itself, I do have big hands. I'm 6'5", but even with that in mind, this is really tiny. So, I mean, DJI would be doing themselves a favor to get tall people to model this product because it looks even smaller, but, you know, anyone can make this product look small, even like a toddler. So, yeah, it comes pre-wrapped with these little stickers. Let's take those off. There we go. And that's what you get with the product. You get a nice 1-inch screen. So tiny, almost smaller than the lens. I mean, it's a bit of a joke, but at least it does have a screen. And if we turn this device on, you see it comes to life. Now I'm pretty sure it's going to make me try to register this product or activate it. I'm not going to do that at this time. That's for a different video. And honestly, it's so simple. You can walk yourself through it. But this does give you an idea of, you know, once you get it going, make sure you get it all set up before you get out in the field and ready to use it. So yeah, that's really it. I hope you found this video somewhat helpful. I thought it was pretty cool filming this on an Osmo Pocket, bit of Osmo Pocketception, if you will, you know. But if you didn't like this video, you know, let me know. Some constructive criticism. I'm always trying to improve my videos. If you did like it, give it, of course, a thumbs up. You know, leave the like down below. And if you are interested in seeing more videos on this product or on drones or on anything tech related, consider hitting that subscribe button. You know, it is free. It doesn't sign you up for anything too life-threatening. There's no long terms and conditions that you're signing your life away. So consider hitting it or not. Whatever, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. If you're still here, thank you for watching as always, and have a nice day. Peace out. Bye.